Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to update Spotify. So if your Spotify app is not updated, so go for your playlist of your mobile, then search for a Spotify, and now you can see there is an update option here. You need to click on it and you have to wait for a date. So it's okay. Wait for a minute. It's updating. If your app is not updated, then you can't see so many updated things on your Spotify app. So for this, you need to update your Spotify app. So it's already done. Okay, it's installing now. Wait for a second for it. Okay, now you can see my Spotify app has been updated now. Okay, so you can see it's updated now. So guys, this is how you can update Spotify. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.